Hey, happy St. Patrick's Day, rock stars. It is March 17th, 2018, the weekend. Welcome to Saturday. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for joining me, and welcome into all the new viewers who may be their first time watching. Thanks for coming by. Today, I'm gonna spend the first part of my day right here, and you guys recognize that sign, you recognize that store. It is the Salvation Army family store on the weekend. No, this is not half off day. Wednesday is half off day, but that's okay because sometimes on the weekends they restock and you can get some good deals. Anyways, remember, we can't always have sale days, so that doesn't mean you don't go in somewhere just because it's not the sale day. We do typically wait for that, but we're gonna go in and check out what they got. So come with me and let's see. All right, here we are inside of this Salvation Army nearest to my house, doing a little shopping, and look what we found. I'll show you some of the shirts that we found first. So first one is like a retro looking Star Wars shirt. It is $3, which is probably a little high, but it's super cool. It's got like the pixelated 80s look to it. It's supposed to look that way. It's also an extra large, so I'm thinking $3. I'm gonna list this for 15. That's 12 profit and hopefully less fees and shipping. I can make about 7 or 8 bucks on it. This shirt is half off. The white tags are half off, so this is $1. It says "Your Girl Knows" Nike, medium. So this is a woman's, obviously, medium Nike shirt. It's got a little cracking on the letters, which normally, you know, you'd kind of want to avoid, but because it's only $1 half off here, I'll take a shot at getting about 12 bucks for it. This is a great shirt. This one is $2, fantastically priced. It is nicely embroidered United States Marines Semper Fi. I can show you this embroidery that's on it here. Take a look. So really good, and this one priced well at $2. It's an XL as well. And then the last one is a pass. This is a no-go. This one is $5. You guys see $5? $5. Anyways, just because it says Jordan, they put $5 on it. Listen, Salvo, you can't just price stuff because it says something cool on it for $5. This is a no-go. You pass on this every time. And finally, the score of the day. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know what this is. Otherwise, if you haven't followed me on Instagram or you didn't see it, this jacket is $15. But why is this jacket 15? Well, this jacket is 15 because it's Burberry's. Burberry's. Those of you that think Burberry's is fake, it is not. Come on these. This is Burberry. There it is for 15. I believe it's white tagged. It is. This may only cost me $7.50. And it has the pants with it. It's legitimate 100%. I'll show you guys the other tag that's on it here. Burberry's is not fake because it has an S. It's just a different kind of tag that they use. There it is. Burberry's, either $7.50 or 15. Either way, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna get over 100 for the combo. Hopefully it's $7.50, but we'll take all these and we're gonna leave this one. So we're about to spend either $25 or $15. I'm not sure which, or like 18. So it's either gonna be an 18 total purchase or 25. We should do about 125 to 150 in sales at least. So pretty good pickup on a non-sale day from the Salvation Army. I'll take that every day of the week, or in this case, the weekend. All right, so I ended up leaving the girl's Nike shirt because it had a hole in it, but it was half off the Burberry suit, so $7.50. The Marine shirt was $2, so that's $9.50. The Star Wars shirt was $3, so that's $12.50 plus tax paid here. Oh no, there's no tax at Salvation, so the whole receipt was like $12.50 or something, or $12.48 or $12.47 because they're all 99 cents. Look at that, 12. You guys see that? $12.47, $12.47, and there's the Burberry suit at $7.50. Look at that, $14.99 half off, $7.50. Cannot beat a day like that. That is $12.47, assuming the Star Wars shirt sells for like 12 bucks, worst case. Assuming the Marine shirt sells for $12.50, we're talking about $25 on those two items, and that suit, jacket, and pants together at least $100 to $125. That's $150 gross sales. Net sales, I want to get at least $80 out of everything, $90, and spent, you know, 12 bucks into 90 in a quick trip. So just because it's not sale day does not mean that you can't get deals and sometimes stumble upon something totally awesome inside of Salvation Army. Okay, so back from Salvation Army, and those of you that don't know, I have a heater for my pool and hot tub, and this is the little controller switch. And so I had to go on eBay, which those of you that don't know, I buy a lot of stuff off eBay. This was $100, and I had to buy a new one because the old one, this thing, it's in bad shape, and the wires, and so it just stopped working the heater. Here, I'll show you guys. Give me a second here. It stopped, the heater stopped working. This is the heater. And so this thing has to go in here, and I have to pull this off and rewire it, which is a little scary because I'm scared of electricity. But yeah, there we go. So we gotta hook this up and try to make the pool heater and the hot tub heater work. And I got drive time with Dave coming over, so this is gonna be a little bit of an adventure. Try to see if we can make this thing, put this where this was in there and wire it up. So fingers crossed we don't get hurt. We even got some instructions. So it turns out we're not just sellers, we actually are fixers too.
We need electrical tape.
I have electrical tape. I can get you electrical tape. Rewiring a pool heater, 101. Compliments of drive time. How's it going, drive time? What we are not is electricians.
We don't need to be electricians for this.
All right, so we're not electricians. We were unable to fix the heater piece. That's okay. We're gonna work on it again tomorrow. Hopefully we can make it work. But let's take a look at the haul that I picked up today. I showed you guys it at the store, but I want to show you guys kind of how I break stuff down when I buy it and how I think about it and how things come to my mind to buy. Before I do it, got this package back today. This was like almost a month ago this went out. It got delivered like this. The customer never, they didn't deliver it to the doorstep. It never got picked up. The return thing says that there was a note left, but that it was abandoned and they shipped it back. I don't know, I've never seen that because this didn't require signature, so they shouldn't have left a notice for this. It should have just been left on the door. Sometimes packages, they don't deem it safe enough to leave it, so they might have left a note to come pick it up and no one picked it up, so they sent them back. This was like a $30 package. I sold some boots. And, you know, I messaged the buyer waiting to hear from him, but it's been over almost a month. I think tomorrow or Monday maybe has been a month and the customer hasn't said anything. So it's kind of odd. I'll let you guys, you know, I'll update you on what happened with that. Kind of weird. Anyways, this first shirt that I saw, you guys, this is very cool. United States Marines Semper Fi. So very nice shirt. It's really good embroidery too. It's real thick, it's heavy, it's a nice shirt. It was $1.99. Not on sale, and so no big deal with that. $2. I'm gonna list this thing at 15 with best offer. Marines love their gear. People that are Marine wives or Marine husbands or Marine family, they love to wear this stuff. Thank you to the Marines, and this shirt's gonna go to someone, you know, awful thankful to have a nice shirt that's embroidered like this. And then this one was what I took a stab at. Now this one was $3. This was the Star Wars one. I ended up leaving the Nike shirt because I had a hole in the back I didn't want to bother with. But this one is kind of old looking, but it's not an old shirt. I don't know what year this shirt is. I'm looking at the tag. It doesn't say, but it's an extra large and it has Lucasfilms Ltd on it. So this is an actual licensed Star Wars shirt. There's no reason for this to be taken down. But it kind of has that old 80s graphics look to it, 70s, 80s. It's got some cool lightsabers going. I mean, this is a cool shirt for somebody that's a Star Wars fan or collector. And I shouldn't have a problem, even at $3, selling this one for like 15. I think it'll be a cool sale, and I think cool stuff sells itself. So hopefully that works. Let's look at the winner from today. You guys know what it was. This is the Burberry jacket. Now, a lot of people don't realize that tags like this, Burberry's, look, Burberry's with the S is legitimate. It's real. It does not have to say Burberry. A lot of people see that, they think it's fake right away. It's not. This was $15, but today is white tag day, half off, so I got it for $7.50. So this is a very nice suit jacket. This is size, well, let me show you the tag first before I pull the size out. Again, Burberry's, it's a real tag. Now what threw me off about this is that this had this tag that said exclusively for Ed Mitchell of Westport. Apparently Westport is a up north store, and I didn't know, I wasn't familiar with this. So they created this and they resold this jacket. They're a dealer for this. So that's what they did. So this jacket is a size, and hopefully I can pull the size off of this. Sometimes they're here on the sides, and sometimes they're really hard to see the size. So here it is, inside the pocket, sometimes you can find these sizes. If they're not, then sometimes you have a problem. So this looks like, oh, the size is worn off. So see, sometimes inside of these pockets you get these size tags, but the size is worn off on this one. So this is gonna be a bit of a problem because I can't see the size. That's an issue, which may be why it ended up hanging out in the thrift store long enough for me to pick it up. Now, not having a size is not gonna deter me from buying it because I can take this to a Men's Warehouse and they'll almost always tell you what size it is. You can have someone professionally measure this as well and provide the measurements. Now, the size tag being unreadable is unfortunate, but this jacket as it stands, paying $7.50 for it is a great profit. I mean, you could sell these Burberry jackets anywhere from $50 to like $250 used. Yeah, the size is really, really worn out, but I can tell you just by looking at it, this is a jacket that would almost fit me. So, you know, it's a little bigger than I am, I think. So I'll get some measurements on it. I'll probably take it down to Men's Warehouse and figure out what size it is. Their tailors in-house will be able to tell me. It's definitely a nice jacket. Something 75, 100, but what definitely put this over the top, and maybe somebody mismatched when they wore this or they didn't, these nice Burberry's pinstripe pants. And so these pants are not matching to the jacket exactly. I guess you could get away with it, but probably not maybe. Now the reason there isn't size tags is what I'm gonna guess on these. These were probably custom tailored and fitted. These are way bigger than me. These gotta be like 40s. This was a bigger guy, maybe 40s, 42s. I wear like a 34, 36, it just depends. These are much too big for me. I haven't tried them, but they are much too big. So, you know, these pants, an easy 50 bucks on the pants. I'm thinking this combo, even if I sell them separately, has gotta be $125 to $150. So good score there, plus the 15 and 15, another 30. I'm gonna try to get 150 net out of these, maybe 175, and I'm gonna try to gross around $100 total, and that way I make a 75, or I'm sorry, not a 75, about a $85, because I paid $12, almost $13, so about an $87, $85 profit on all this. Not bad for 3 items, 20 minutes inside the store. Salvation Army, sometimes even on non-sale days, you can do okay. So Burberry's does not mean that it's fake. Make sure you pick it up, make sure you post on Instagram. Awesome haul. I love it. It's just a little pickup. I don't even call it a haul. I just call it a nice little score, nice little bolo score. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. I'll leave you to that. Make sure you check out the description box if you have any questions, comments, concerns. That section down below here belongs to all of you. I'll check them out. I'll respond to as many as I can. And in the meantime, thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll see you next time.